Welcome to Shopware tutorial. In this, we learn how to add a new currency to shop. Log into the backend, go to Configuration then Basic Setting. Click Shop Setting and then Currencies. Click on Add Entry to add a new currency. Fill the details and save. Now click on the shop and add a new currency to the shop system. Save and go to the shop. Refresh the page to see the changes. Thanks for watching. For more updates and Shopware video tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. And also do not forget to press the bell icon, so that you never miss our upcoming videos.